Are you looking for the best Wi-Fi extenders? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Wi-Fi extenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. TP-Link EX5000. We were blown away by the impressive range of the TP-Link EX5000. This model stayed connected to a mobile device at a longer distance than any other extender we tested. It's easy to connect to the router, does not require an app for mobile devices, and offers an easy setup compared to some other extenders we tested. It creates a seamless network with compatible routers, so your devices will always connect to the strongest signal, whether or not it is from the extender or your primary router. The EX5000 features a single gigabit Ethernet port, allowing you to connect the device for hardwired speed and reliability. Despite supporting Wi-Fi over an extensive range, the TP-Link EX5000 isn't the fastest option in our lineup. For gaming or other high-speed applications, a device that supports higher megabits per second, Mbps, rates would be a better choice. Looks are another consideration. One tester remarked, "I understand that aesthetics are subjective, but I don't find the appearance very appealing." The device protrudes nearly 2 inches from a wall outlet and sports 2 less than sleek-looking antennas. Aside from these critiques, TP-Link EX5000 is hands down one of the best Wi-Fi extenders we tested. We recommend it to anyone searching for a wall plug model that can cover an extended range. If you have the need for speed, and you're willing to sacrifice mesh capabilities, the Netgear EX5000 is another great pick. Its simple, compact design is aesthetically pleasing, and the setup speed was under 5 minutes. Number 2. TP-Link RE220. The TP-Link RE220 is one of our favorite extenders we tested. Setup is made easy with a QR code on the box that links to the app and guides you through a setup that takes mere minutes. I love its sleek look and the fact that it's no larger than the average air freshener or night light, our lead tester, BrosTrend, said. Despite its size and aesthetics, the RE220 has still managed to fit in an Ethernet port, which is fantastic. For home use, the RE220 has an excellent range. But, if you need to project a signal over more extensive square footage for businesses or special events, we recommend checking out our more compatible contenders. Also, you'll need a faster model to get maximum Mbps for gaming or an office. Despite that, we still think RE220 is great for most applications. If price is not a worry, the TP-Link EX5000 is an overall top performer. It uses a mesh network to project a solid signal over longer distances and spaces. Number 3. TP-Link N300. The TP-Link N300 is an excellent choice if you need a decent Wi-Fi extender at an affordable price. This device has a more tolerable look than models with several extra antennas, and as with all wall plug mount models, there are no wires or cords to deal with. The setup process for the N300 was swift and easy, with a QR code on the box that directly links your phone to the proper avenue for downloading the TP-Link Tether app. The TP-Link N300 falls short in a few areas. First off, the range is unimpressive, and it's not the fastest due to its single 2.4 GHz band. It can connect up to 8 devices, so if you need to boost the signal for a lot of computers, phones, and tablets, the N300 is probably not the right one for you. We think this Wi-Fi extender would be better suited for 1 or 2 devices in a smaller space than an entire home or office, and its bargain price makes it an excellent buy for those shopping on a budget. If you need a little better performance at an affordable price, the TP-Link RE220 allows you to connect many devices simultaneously and is highly recommended. Number 4. Netgear EX5000. If you don't feel like downloading apps, resetting your router, or dealing with confusing instruction pamphlets, we recommend the Netgear EX5000. Netgear claims that this product takes 5 minutes to set up, but it only took us about 3 minutes. It does not require an app. Any browser will guide you through the setup process by simply going to the website listed on the box or scanning the QR code. Although it's a bit boxy, the EX5000 is compact and has a discreet look. This model can connect up to 25 devices, the highest number we've seen to date. Where this model truly shines is in the speed it delivers. During our MBP's tests, the EX5000 was much faster than any other wall plug model that we've used to date. Unfortunately, the Netgear EX5000 does not support mesh capabilities, so you'll need to manually change back to your primary router if you're in a location where the extender signal is weaker than the primary router signal. The compact design lacks an Ethernet port, so if you want a hardwired device to the extender, you'll need to look into a different model. Despite some minor drawbacks, the EX5000 Wi-Fi extender is a top choice for those needing high speeds and an easy setup. Number 5. BrosTrend Wi-Fi Extender. We like that the BrosTrend Wi-Fi extender package includes an Ethernet cable for its port located on the bottom of the unit. Its classic look of a small box with 2 antennas isn't quite as snazzy as other models, but is also much less of a mess to look at than the models with several antennas. During our internet speed trials, the BrosTrend finished in the middle of the road. The setup also wasn't our favorite. There is a WPS button function for pairing with a router, yet BrosTrend does not have an app. That means you'll need to navigate to their website to create the administrator login and password for the extender and then write it down on a piece of paper for backup. At GearLab, we pride ourselves on not building our reviews from manufacturer specs or other reviews. We purchase each product from the same retailers as our readers to get our own hands and eyes on them. We create a unique and comprehensive test plan for each product category we test, including side-by-side analysis to gauge each contender's true performance. We are well-versed in office products as we've reviewed many over the years, providing us with extensive knowledge and experience. To prepare for this review, we researched over 50 of the best Wi-Fi extenders on the market before buying and testing a selection of the top-rated models to send through testing. We subjected each product to 13 individual tests to rate their performance.